Are you looking for the best portable generator for home backup, camping, RV trips, job sites, or emergency power outages? A reliable generator should provide enough running power, long runtime, useful outlets, safe operation, and convenient starting options. In this video, we've selected the 5 best portable generators of 2026 based on power output, fuel flexibility, runtime, noise level, portability, safety features, outlet selection, and overall value. Whether you need a quiet inverter generator for camping, a dual fuel model for your RV, or a powerful transfer switch-ready generator for whole home backup, there's an excellent option on this list. Stay tuned until the end to discover which portable generator earned the #1 spot and why it's our top recommendation. Let's get started. Number 5. Wen DF1100T Dual Fuel Portable Generator. Starting our list at number 5 is the Wen DF1100T, a powerful dual-fuel portable generator designed for emergency home backup, job sites, camping, and other situations where dependable electricity is essential. It can run on either gasoline or propane, giving you more flexibility when one fuel source is unavailable. On gasoline, the generator produces up to 11,000 starting watts and 8,300 running watts. Propane operation delivers up to 9,500 starting watts and 7,500 running watts. A simple selection dial makes switching fuels convenient, while the 457cc 4-stroke engine starts with the turn of a key. The voltage can also be changed between 120 volt and 240 volt, making it suitable for transfer switches and larger appliances. Its 6.6-gallon gasoline tank provides up to 8.5 hours of runtime at half load, although the specifications also list 8 hours. The control panel includes 4 GFCI household outlets, a 30-amp twist-lock outlet, a 50-amp 124-volt outlet, and a 12-volt DC socket. A wheel kit and handle help with transportation, despite its substantial 214-pound weight. Pros: gasoline and propane operation, up to 11,000 starting watts, switchable 120 and 240-volt outlet, convenient electric start, suitable for transfer switch connections, multiple household and high average outlets, includes wheel kit and LPG hose, 2-year warranty. Cons: heavy at approximately 214 pounds. Runtime is inconsistent between 8 and 8.5 hours. Lower output when operating on propane, not designed as a lightweight or quiet inverter generator. Overall, the Wen DF1100T provides strong backup power, flexible fuel options, and a useful selection of outlets. Its dependable high-output design makes it our number 5 pick for the best portable generators of 2026. Number 4. Honda EU2200i Inverter Generator. Coming in at number 4 is the Honda EU2200i, a compact inverter generator designed for camping, RV use, outdoor activities, and light emergency backup power. Its clean inverter output is suitable for sensitive electronics such as laptops and other computer equipment. The generator produces up to 2,200 starting watts and 1,800 running watts from its 121cc 4-stroke gasoline engine. It can power essential items such as refrigerators, microwaves, hair dryers, and some small air conditioners, although users should confirm each appliance's starting wattage before connecting it. One of its biggest advantages is quiet operation. Honda lists a noise range of approximately 48 to 57 decibels, making it more suitable for campsites and residential areas than many conventional generators. Bluetooth connectivity works with Honda's My Generator app for remote monitoring, wireless shutdown, and service reminders. Pros: quiet 48 to 57 decibel operation, clean inverter power for electronics, compact 46.5-pound design, 2,200 starting and 1,800 running watts, Bluetooth app monitoring and shutdown, suitable for camping and light backup use, 3-year residential warranty. Cons: gasoline-only operation, limited to 2 power outlets, manual recoil starting system, not available in California. Runtime is listed inconsistently as 8.1 and 9 hours. Overall, the Honda EU2200i delivers quiet, dependable, and portable inverter power, making it our number 4 pick for the best portable generators of 2026. Number 3. Champion 4,500-watt Dual Fuel Inverter Generator. Taking the number 3 spot is the Champion 4,500-watt Dual Fuel Inverter Generator, a versatile portable power solution designed for RV trips, camping, tailgating, and emergency backup. It can operate on either gasoline or propane and includes an electric start system with an easy start dial for simpler operation. On gasoline, it produces 4,500 starting watts and 3,500 running watts, with up to 14 hours of runtime at 25% load. Propane delivers 3,150 running watts and up to 21 hours of runtime using a 20-pound tank. Its inverter technology produces clean power with less than 3% total harmonic distortion, making it suitable for sensitive electronics. The generator operates at approximately 61 decibels from 23 feet and includes a 30-amp RV outlet, household duplex outlet, and 12-volt automotive outlet. CO Shield automatically shuts down the engine if unsafe carbon monoxide levels are detected. However, the generator must still be operated outdoors and away from buildings. Pros: gasoline and propane operation, electric start with easy start dial, up to 21 hours of propane runtime, quiet 61 decibel operation, clean inverter power for electronics, RV-ready 30-amp outlet, CO Shield safety shutdown, parallel operation supported, 3-year warranty and lifetime technical support. Cons: optional parallel kit is sold separately, heavy at approximately 99.2 pounds, lower running power when using propane. Tank capacity is listed as both 2.25 and 2.3 gallons. The specifications list 50 Hz, which should be confirmed before purchasing. Overall, the Champion 4500-watt dual-fuel inverter generator provides quiet operation, long runtime, flexible fuel choices, and RV-friendly connections. Its balanced performance makes it our number 3 pick for the best portable generators of 2026.
Number 2. DuroMax XP13000EH dual-fuel portable generator. Taking the number 2 spot is the DuroMax XP13000EH, a high-output portable generator designed for whole-home emergency backup, RV use, job sites, and severe weather power outages. Its dual-fuel system lets you operate it with either gasoline or propane and switch fuel types from the front control panel. Powered by a 500cc 4-stroke engine, it produces up to 13,000 starting watts and 10,500 running watts. This provides enough output for essential household appliances, lighting, power tools, and compatible central air conditioning systems. A transfer switch-ready 50-amp outlet also supports connection to an appropriately installed home backup system. The generator features push-button electric starting, a heavy-duty all-metal frame, 100% copper windings, no flat wheels, and a foldable handle. Safety and maintenance features include a carbon monoxide sensor, low oil shutdown, overload protection, and an hour meter. Pros: powerful 13,000 starting watts, 10,500 running watts, gasoline and propane operation, transfer switch-ready 50-amp outlet, convenient electric start, heavy-duty all-metal construction, 100% copper windings, CO sensor and low oil shutdown. Includes wheel and handle kit, 3-year warranty. Cons: very heavy at approximately 234 pounds. Lower output is expected when using propane. The listed 0.5-gallon tank and 3-hour runtime appear inconsistent with the product description. Outlet count is also inconsistent in the provided specifications. Overall, the DuroMax XP13000EH delivers serious backup power, durable construction, and flexible dual-fuel operation. Its whole home capability makes it our number 2 pick for the best portable generators of 2026. Number 1. Westinghouse WGen9500DFC dual-fuel portable generator. Taking the number 1 spot is the Westinghouse WGen9500DFC, a powerful dual-fuel portable generator designed for home backup, RV use, emergencies, and job sites. It operates on gasoline or propane and offers remote, push-button electric, and recoil starting options. On gasoline, it produces 12,500 peak watts and 9,500 running watts. Propane delivers 11,200 peak watts and 8,500 running watts. Its 457cc 4-stroke engine can run for up to 12 hours using the 6.6-gallon gasoline tank. A fuel gauge and digital data center help monitor fuel level, voltage, frequency, and operating hours. The outlet panel includes GFCI household receptacles, a transfer switch-ready 30-amp outlet, and a 120-240-volt 50-amp outlet for RVs and larger appliances. Safety features include automatic low oil shutdown, overload protection, covered outlets, and a carbon monoxide sensor with automatic shutdown. It also includes a propane hose, remote key fob, battery charger, oil, funnel, tools, and mobility wheels. Pros: gasoline and propane operation, 12,500 peak and 9,500 running watts on gasoline, remote, electric, and recoil starting, up to 12 hours of runtime, transfer switch and RV-ready outlets, CO and low oil automatic shutdown, fuel gauge and digital hour meter, 3-year limited warranty. Cons: heavy at approximately 212 pounds, lower power output when using propane. Open frame design may be louder than inverter generators. Overall, the Westinghouse WGen9500DFC delivers excellent power, long runtime, flexible starting options, and strong home backup connectivity. Its balanced combination of performance and convenience makes it our number 1 pick for the best portable generators of 2026.